So, ladies and gentlemen, let's go and take a look at a problem like this. So again, let's maybe try this one. On this example, let's do what I did last class period, what I was talking about, as far as finding the LCD and combining them before simplifying, right? Let's try that, see if that maybe helps out. So you can identify the LCD is equal to sine of x times cosine of x. So therefore, I need to multiply this by sine of x times sine of x. Here times cosine of x times cosine of x. By doing that, cosine of x times sine of x, that's a function times the reciprocal, Dinah, right? Would you agree with me? That's cosine of x times sine of x is by its reciprocal, so that equals 1. Minus sine of x times sine of x is sine squared of x all over cosine of x sine of x. You guys agree with me? Automatically, I see sine squared. So what you don't have a sheet of paper on? Oh, okay. So automatically, I see sine squared. I'm thinking my Pythagorean identities. So if I look at my Pythagorean identities, sine squared of x plus cosine squared of x equals 1. Can I rewrite this where it looks like 1 minus sine squared of x? And that's going to be equal to cosine squared of x. So now I have cosine squared of x all over cosine of x sine of x. Now, this might not, well, actually, we can look at this. If you have something squared divided by cosine, that's just going to equal cosine over sine, which is equal to cotangent of x. Yes? Cosine times secant. These are reciprocals of each other. What's 3 times 1/3? What's 2/4? What's 2/3 times 3/2? 1. Any function times its reciprocal is going to be 1. Because what's secant? 1 over cosine. So cosine times 1 over cosine is 1.
So what about the other one, though, cosine x? You did 2. So what is it?
Right, so it's just cosine times sine.
Oh, because it's subtracting the other cosine.
Yes, and that's sine times sine. Yeah, but these are common denominators, so you keep the common denominator the same. Okay? Anybody have any other questions? What website are you on? Social Blade? Was that Social Blade?